Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put your WordPress site in maintenance mode. First, understand that maintenance mode is crucial for preventing visitors from seeing a broken site during updates or changes. It allows you to work on your site privately, ensuring a smooth user experience once your work is complete. This temporary state is essential for any significant site modifications or troubleshooting, keeping your professional image intact. The easiest way to activate maintenance mode is by using a dedicated plugin. Simply navigate to your WordPress dashboard, search for a plugin like SeedProd or WP Maintenance Mode, and install it. Once activated, you can customize your maintenance page with a custom message, countdown timer, and even collect email addresses. This method offers a user-friendly interface and robust features for a professional look, often taking just a few minutes to set up. For those comfortable with code, you can manually enable maintenance mode. One method involves adding a few lines of code to your theme's functions.php file, which displays a custom message. Alternatively, you can create a .maintenance file in your site's root directory. This file will automatically trigger maintenance mode for all visitors, providing a simple yet effective solution without relying on plugins. Remember to back up your files before making any manual changes. When setting up your maintenance page, always include a clear message explaining why your site is down and when it will be back online. Consider adding your social media links or an email sign-up form to keep your audience engaged. Remember to thoroughly test your site after disabling maintenance mode to ensure everything is functioning correctly. This ensures a seamless transition back to full operation, providing a positive experience for all your visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.